Okay, guys, we're gonna try this video thing, okay? Okay. So if it's not gonna work or isn't working, please let me know. You can email me. So today we are gonna talk about using order and grouping to multiply. So we've already been talking about multiplication and what it means, right? The groupings and such things like that. So to get us started though, we are going to do, this is going to be like our math minutes from now on, are the things on this. So I want you guys to tell me what is 4 times 3 and how do you know? So you should have this in a packet so you can write these things down in your packet. So how do you know? Now, if you know this at the top of your head, then just say that you've got it memorized. If you don't know this, then maybe use things that we have, maybe this marker will work. Let's see which ones work, guys. You can use this. So remember, if we're doing 4 times 3, 4 shows us how many groups there are. So I would draw 4 groups. And 3 shows us how many are in each group. So I would put how many? I would put 3 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, and I would do that. Okay? And then to get my answer, I would count them up all together and say what 4 times 3 equals. I'm not going to give you the answer because this is your bell work. So anyways, start working on that. Click pause so then you can work on it. I'm going to keep moving ahead. Again, click pause. Here we go. So today we're going to look at some problems. This is going to be new stuff. So bear with me as we learn, okay? Again, if you have any questions, please email me. So let's start with this. Guess what? I have to read it now because nobody is here. All right. Ava's mom buys 2 packs of 3 t-shirts. Her dad buys 3 packs of 2 t-shirts. How many t-shirts did each of Ava's parents buy? Okay, so first of all, we have to look at what the problem is about. So we know that the problem is about Ava's mom and dad buying packs of t-shirts, right? And then we're trying to talk about what you were trying to find out. So we're trying to find out how many each of Ava's parents bought separately. So the information that is important is knowing how many packs each bought and how many are in each pack. So the numbers that we have up here will help us out with that as well. Okay, so we are going to start. I will walk you through this problem since it is something new. Okay, so we know, I'm going to separate this. Oh guys, these markers are not my friend. Okay, so here's her mom and dad. We'll get through all of these eventually. Okay, we know that mom bought 2 packs of 3 t-shirts. So we have, here's 2 packs. And how many t-shirts are in each pack? We say 3. Okay, 3 packs or 3 t-shirts in each pack. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, her dad buys 3 packs. 1, oh man. 1, 2, 3. Hang on while I grab a marker. And we know that he has 2 shirts in each pack. So we have 1, 2 in each. Okay, so we need to know how many each of his parents or her parents bought. So mom has 2 packs, which shows 2 groups. So we know that's 2 times, how many are in each group? 3, right? Equals, that'll tell us. Dad, though, bought 3 packs, so that is 1, 2, 3 groups, so we have 3 times, how many are in each pack? 2 equals. Now, we can figure this out by either counting by 2's here, or you can count by 3's here, so we can go 2, 4, 6. So we know that both of our parents bought 6 t-shirts all together. We know because of in the packs, right? We've been learning this when we're understanding multiplication. So since I'm assuming you might have siblings around you, or maybe parents, grandparents, someone, maybe think about this discussion question, okay? How did you get started, or did I just do it for you? And then tell your partner, I started by, so how would you start solving that problem? Or tell them how I started solving that problem, because I was the one who solved it for you. So, Miss Simon started by, if you need to, you can rewind the video. New things here, friends. Okay. We are not going to worry about this. So, this is looking ahead. So that was just us looking at having packs of things or groups of things, right? The meaning of multiplication. Now, as we look ahead, lessons in the future, we are going to see things like this, where we know, we can say there are 2 packs with 4 hot dogs in them. So we know that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, where did that come from? I think I got ahead of myself. Sorry. Let's do this. Sometimes, friends, you have to order factors, so the 2 numbers that are being multiplied together, and it won't, you can swap them, and it won't do anything to the answer. You'll get the same answer. So let's look at this problem. Jaden buys 4 boxes of hot dogs. Each box has 2 packs, and each pack has 5 hot dogs. So instead of just having 2 packs with the shirts in them like we did before, now we have these hot dogs where there are 4 boxes of hot dogs. So 4 boxes, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 packs in each box. Guys, we're getting trickier. And how many hot dogs are in each pack? 5. So that means that we need to look at our order of the way we multiply things. Again, don't worry about this, just listen to me right now because this is looking ahead. So we can look at this and think, okay, there are 4 packs and there are 4 boxes and there are 2 packs in each box. So that means that's 4 times 2. We still don't know how many hot dogs are all together, but we know the amount of packs that there would be 2, 4, 6, 8. So we know we have 8 packs of hot dogs. Okay? So this shows 4 times 2, and these things right here are called parentheses. Okay? We know there are 5 hot dogs in each pack now. So we have our answer to this. 5 hot dogs in each pack. So we can go 8 times 5, which would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay? So that means 8 times 5 is 40. You can also show that by doing 8 groups of 5 in them, right? And then, oh, whoops. Sorry, I wrote the wrong thing. This is 8 needs to go right here. 8 times 5 equals 40. So we know altogether, the hot dogs, there are 40 hot dogs. Now, as I'm saying this, this may have been confusing. Don't stress about it. I'm just showing you that sometimes the way we order things, we just have to watch it. Now, as we go through this, you will see problems like, I'm going to go ahead and give us some space. You will see problems like this, where there will be parentheses. Okay? And if you have a problem that says 2 times 3 times 5 has a parentheses, we always do the problems that are in the parentheses first. So I do 2 times 3, which equals 6. And now I can do 6 times 5, which equals 30. Okay? So we're just talking about order. So if you see the parentheses, you do those first. It's kind of like when you're getting ready in the morning to go to school. Do you put your shoes on before your socks? Or can you put your socks on after you put on your shoes? No, you can't, right? Or same, you can't put your shirt on after you put on a jacket. So it just order matters, okay? So make sure when we have parentheses like this, we always do the problem in the parentheses first. Okay. So to end it, I want you guys, I'm going to give you a simple problem. Okay? We will do 2 times 2 times by 2 equals. Alright, I want you guys to try and work that on your own. Again, parentheses first, and then you can drop down this other. So once you get this answer, then you can bring it down and go times 2. So blank times 2 equals. Now, how you're going to submit this is you're going to take a picture of the packet that you've been doing and you will email it to me, okay? Now, you should have a couple of things written down as I went through this lesson. I may have gone fast, and I'm sorry if I did. You can always pause and rewind. All right? Your last thing, pause this. Let me know if you have questions.